Welcome to our Virtual Innovation Lab at the ASICS Institute of Sport Science. At ASICS, we have just one mission: to uplift the world through sport. It all started in 1949 when we were known as Onitsuka Tiger. Our founder, Kihachiro Onitsuka, was an inventor, a tinkerer. He was constantly striving for the peak, to deliver the very best. To help you deliver the very best. No product is allowed to wear the ASICS brand until it does two things: help you perform at the peak and fully protect you at the same time. Now, we have created a virtual innovation lab for you to experience the best of the ASICS Institute of Sport Science right before your eyes. What you are going to see is the result of painstaking research by our sport scientists, engineers, and developers at the ASICS Institute of Sport Science. So today, let me present to you our three most advanced performance shoes yet: Meta Racer, our racing peak, and our first shoe to combine a carbon plate with the energy savings of our guide sole technology. Meta Sprint, our sprinting peak. It's our first ever spikeless track shoe and it transfers explosive power with every stride. And finally, Meta Rides, our jumping peak, a groundbreaking volleyball shoe that helps you jump up to 3% higher. So let me invite you to discover more. Our most advanced racing shoe to date, and our most anticipated. The Meta Racer gives you speed, saves you energy, and protects your body over distance like no other running shoe. Here's how it works. We have given our revolutionary guide sole technology an improved toe spring shape that reduces the load on the calf muscle by up to 20% for better energy efficiency. Next, we combined it with carbon plate technology to give added support to the midsole structure. We also use a new specially engineered mesh to give your foot maximum airflow to cool down. Because our scientists discovered that every degree less dramatically improves your body's well-being. The Flight Foam technology delivers lightweight and highly functional cushioning for a softer and more responsive run. That's combined with the superior grip of the material on the sole, which ensures runners are secure and protected during landing and toe-off even in the wettest conditions. See how this can help you go the distance and be faster. With the Meta Racer, you save energy so you can start fast and finish faster. With the Meta Rise, we're raising the bar for what can be achieved in volleyball. Higher jumps, fast movement on the break, and stability without power loss. These are the unique qualities of the new Meta Rise volleyball shoe. The midsole is powered by Flight Foam Propel technology for a softer, more comfortable landing. We've combined this with a winged midfoot support called Rise Truss technology. The curved heel design supports smooth transition and a lift-off for the attack. That's why the Meta Rise gives you that bit of extra height you need for devastating spikes. Research at the ASICS Institute of Sport Science has shown that the Meta Rise improves jump performance by up to 3%. See how the Meta Rise trainer can increase your jumping range. Innovation that lifts you up to 3% higher. With the Meta Rise, you are ready for the win. For the Meta Sprint, we have lost the spikes to give you a lighter, faster sprint. Traditionally, heavy metal spikes give runners traction. Look, they're gone. Instead, the Meta Sprint has a revolutionary honeycomb carbon outsole that gives sprinters explosive speed with every stride. The Meta Sprint is the ideal choice for elite and competitive sprinters. There are no spikes inhibiting your stride. Instead, with every step, you transfer additional power. The upper is made from a proprietary mesh that fits comfortably against the skin. Our DynaWrap technology adds side panels from the midsole across the arch to securely lock your foot in place. See how the Meta Sprint can transfer extra power to increase your speed. Because over short distances, every millisecond saved counts. Intense traction for extra power. The Meta Sprint gives explosive speed. Thank you so much for joining us today in our Virtual Innovation Lab at the ASICS Institute of Sport Science. What you have seen are 3 revolutionary sports shoes. Uniquely, they are designed to give you both peak performance and optimal protection. It's this approach to innovation that makes ASICS stand out. That's how we help athletes of all abilities to do sports, to run, to compete, in the knowledge that ASICS is keeping them safe. For a sound mind in a sound body. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon again, but next time in person. さよなら.